So today's topic is triangle of auscultation, and the border of triangle of auscultation can be remembered by mnemonic. We can remember the capital letter on this sentence, scultation, where SC stand for scapula, L stand for latissimus dorsi, T stand for trapezius. And this is the diagram of triangle of auscultation, where medially trapezius is present, laterally scapula, and inferiorly latissimus dorsi. Importance of this: it is the only part of the back which is not covered by muscle, so respiratory song is better here in this site.